Good morning students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Here we are doing the rise of nationalism in Europe. So in our previous class we have talked about the paintings that Frederick Soriot had drawn. He had drawn 4 paintings and each painting visualizes something about nationalism, and the feeling of nationalism is spread across Europe. Now we'll talk about point by point up to 6 there. Number 1, the painting visualized by Soriot. Frederick Soriot, he was a great artist, brought about sweeping changes. There were great changes took place in the political and mental world. Mental world means people began to think of Europe. Europe was, most of the countries in Europe, practically all the countries in Europe, the countries were ruled by Bourbon kings, and most of the kings were very cruel, despotic, and they never cared for the people and the citizens. That's why people, they actually did not like the monarchy. So there was a feeling about removal of the monarchy, but no one, so far no one has dared to do that. So the Soriot was a great artist as well as a great thinker, you can say that. He visualized the coming future generation or the future of the countries in Europe and visualized in paintings the political and mental world of the Europe. The result of these changes, after the picture was drawn by Soriot, the result of these changes were the emergence means setting up of the nation state. Nation state means independent country, not ruled by the kings but by the people. The concept, idea and practices. The concept and idea and practices of the nation state, free country, had been developing. The feeling of a free country was developing over a long period of time in Europe. People were thinking about having a country without kings, having a country or the country without kings and the country ruled by the people themselves. They were thinking. It was developing the practices of a nation state, free country. The idea was developing over a long period of time in Europe. But nation state means, suppose if anyone asks you what do you mean by nation state? Nation state means the citizens of a country, the people living in a country, develop a sense of common identity. They will have a common identity and shared history and descent. They have a common history and the common descendant. They were the common descendant of the ancestors, and they have a sense of common identity, culture and so on. This commonness was forged means formed through struggles and actions of leaders and common people. Nation state does not get formed just like that. People had to struggle. For example, we take the example of India. It was ruled by colonizers, Britishers, and people fought, they struggled, they suffered, and the final result, the outcome was the independent country. So you can see that this commonness was formed through struggle and actions of the leader as well as the common people combined together. They fight for an identity. They will fight for their oneness, commonness. So in this chapter we are going to study the diverse process, various processes that went through which nation states and nationalism came into being during 19th century. During 19th century, how nationalism, the feeling of nationalism came into being, and the nation states of Europe as well as around the world. The idea of nation states spread from Europe to all over the world. First, it started in France. So in our previous class we have talked about America and Switzerland. They were the first country to get independent. They become nation states. But it was not very much popular. But from French Revolution it became very popular, and the idea of liberty, the idea of rights, it passed on to other countries as well as around the world. That's why French Revolution is also called the mother of all revolution. So we'll talk about that in our next class. The French 1.0 will start from next class. The French Revolution and the idea of a nation, to be continued in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Go through online portal every day. Do not miss the classes. Otherwise you will have difficulties later on. So it will not take a long time to go through the online portal, but it will help you a lot. It is worth. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe at home.